How to Control Your Emotions. Miyamoto Musashi. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the wisdom of one of history's greatest swordsmen, Miyamoto Musashi, to understand how to master one of the hardest battles in life, controlling your emotions. Musashi wasn't just a master of the sword, he was a master of the mind. His timeless work, The Book of Five Rings, offers profound lessons not just about combat, but about life itself. And at the heart of his philosophy is this: a warrior must never be ruled by emotion. To win in life and on the battlefield, you must cultivate a mind that is calm, clear, and unshaken. Musashi wrote, "Think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world." What does this mean? It means don't let your ego flare up when you're challenged, insulted, or tested. Most people react emotionally to threats, but Musashi teaches us that detachment is power. When you think lightly of yourself, you are not easily offended, and your emotions cannot be manipulated. You stand above petty conflicts. You become unshakable because your sense of identity is not tied to how others treat you, but to how you conduct yourself with discipline and calm. Another of Musashi's core principles is to not let your mind be clouded by fear, anger, or desire. He says, there is nothing outside of yourself that can ever enable you to get better, stronger, richer, quicker, or smarter. Everything is within. Emotional control starts by looking inward, not outward. When anger rises, pause and ask yourself, is this emotion serving me or controlling me? Musashi warns that when emotion clouds judgment, you lose clarity. And when you lose clarity, you lose control. A warrior wins because his mind remains sharp while others are distracted by their feelings. One powerful practice Musashi emphasized was remaining calm in all situations, especially in the face of death. He believed that the fear of death weakens men. If you accept that life is impermanent and that losses will come, you gain a rare strength, emotional equanimity. You stop fearing what might happen and start acting with purpose and presence. As Musashi said, do nothing which is of no use. Wasting energy on unnecessary emotional reactions is exactly that, useless. When you let go of what doesn't serve you, you operate from a place of focused calm. Ultimately, Musashi's message is clear: self-discipline is the foundation of emotional control. Through continuous practice, reflection, and detachment, you can master your emotions instead of letting them master you. When you face life's battles, whether it's conflict, stress, or uncertainty, remember this teaching: be like Musashi. Stay calm, stay clear, and don't let fleeting emotions drag you away from your path. Because in the end, as Musashi proved, the strongest warrior is the one who has mastered himself. If you found value in Musashi's timeless wisdom today, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to take control of their mind and life. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay focused, and remember the battle is always within.